makes sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be installing this wig by Ellie Pearl Hair. This is a 5x5 closure wig in 26 inches, and I'm going to be applying this wig completely glueless today. No sprays, no gels, no glue, nothing, just strictly using this band. The band is the only thing keeping this wig on, which is actually pretty good because it comes in handy when it's really hot outside and you don't want to have anything on your forehead, and it just makes it easier to take this wig on and off. So this wig does come pre-plucked and the knots are pre-bleached, so you really don't have to do much. I always like to do my own little tweaking, so I'm just plucking it just a little bit just to add my own little touch to it.
I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the voice that you left me telling me what happened.
And I always like to cut like the thicker pieces off on the side of the lace. This actually just helps the wig lay down much more seamless, so don't forget to cut that part off on the side. And to cut the lace off, I like to use an eyebrow razor. It just helps so that the cut of the lace isn't so blunt, and it just makes it look a lot less noticeable. So I'm using my eyebrow razor. I just cut it in the middle, and then I'm just razoring off the rest of the lace. Really easy, really simple, especially because this wig didn't come with a whole lot of excess lace. So I'm going to be pulling out some baby hairs. I decided I wanted to do baby hairs with this look today. I know it's not everybody's preference. Some people like to do them, some people don't. But I personally do, so I'm just going to pull out a little bit on both sides and just twist it just to get it out of my face.
Doing things to make me feel the way I make you feel. How hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home? That way you could be prepared, maybe take a couple sick days and not miss pay. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place. I was decorate. This thing is getting one-sided, I can't even lie to you.
So then I'm going to take my Super Melted Grip Spray by Erica J, and I'm just going to apply it to this edge comb and just use this to brush up the edges of the wig just so it can look a lot more sleek and just neat.
You don't ever come to me. Don't ever come to me.
So then I'm going to take my Nairobi mousse, and this mousse really just acts as like a way for the lace to just lay a lot more seamless. I don't know what it is, but when I do this, it still melts the lace a little bit. Like even without adding any glue or spray or anything like that, the mousse does a really good job at actually melting the lace without the other products, if that makes sense. So I just add that to the lace, and then I'm gonna tie it down and keep that tied down for about like 15 minutes so I can get the full effect of it. And now I'm gonna lay my wig down. So I'm gonna take my She Is Bomb wax stick, and I'm just gonna section off pieces of hair on the top of my head. I like to do sections because it just helps to lay the wig a lot flatter on the top. And I'm gonna take my Andis hot comb, and I'm using this on the hottest setting. I want it as hot as it can get, and I'm using this to hot comb the top of my wig. And as y'all can see, the lace is lacing. Child, the HD lace is really doing its thing. It looks so good. That mousse really just added like a little extra layer of just like melt. I don't know. It just looks so good. So now I'm gonna cut these baby hairs. So I like to cut my baby hairs with an eyebrow razor. I don't like for the cut of the baby hairs to be too straight. I personally just don't like that look. I do like to go in with the scissors just to get like the excess hair that I didn't cut with the razor, because sometimes I miss some hair. But other than that, I just like to use a straight eyebrow razor. And if you don't have a pencil flat iron to curl your baby hairs up, you definitely need to invest in one. They are relatively inexpensive. I got mine from Amazon, and I just curl the baby hairs upward. And I wanted to do really soft baby hairs today. I just wanted them to look really nice, natural, just soft. So to lay my baby hairs today, I'm actually just going to use straight mousse. Normally I would mix mousse and the Eco Styler gel together, and that would give them more of a defined look. But the mousse today is just gonna help them to just stay soft, but also be defined and like lay at the same time. So I'm just using mousse and just lay my baby hairs down how I like to lay them, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit excess of the mousse and just tap that on them just to get it a little bit more molded.
Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not ran. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a plan. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brain. I'm just starting on my ex, bitch.
So this wig already comes straight, as you guys can see, but I wanted it to be more straight than what it was. I like super bone straight hair, and I just wanted to bump it. So I'm just taking my Babyliss Pro flat irons. These are the best flat irons ever. Like, I don't think I'll ever buy another pair of flat irons. Like, they are such a good investment. They are a little expensive, but they are a great investment to have, especially if you wear wigs often, or if you just wear bundles or whatever the case may be like that often. And I'm just going in like sections and just kind of bumping the hair a little bit more and getting it a lot straighter.
I ain't texting back that bitch, hold up. No way. I ain't stressing about that bitch, hold up. 21 go get this.
And I was watching this story time from this girl I watch on YouTube, and it was just hilarious. As y'all can see, I'm just cackling. It was so funny. But anyways, this hair flat ironed really well. It's very soft, silky. It had minimal shedding, but nothing major at all.
Back in rotation, hold up. Bitches on me, immigration. Hold up, going through the translations. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Hold up, I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Truck a wedding ring, I bought a neck. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand. Hold up, bitch, my Rolex on fleek. Hold up, bitch, my diamonds on fleek. Hold up, I got gold on my teeth. Hold up, you got rainbow on your feet.
So I like to give the baby hairs enough time to fully dry with the elastic band on, and then after they are fully dry, I'm going to take my edge comb and I'm just going to brush them out from the root of the hair all the way to the end. It just kind of gives it a really nice, soft, subtle baby hair kind of look that I was going for. It just gives it a little bit more of like a fluffier look than just having it completely molded and skipping this step. And I was really happy with how they came out. They turned out so cute, and I think this is going to be like my new preferred method of doing my baby hairs. But yeah, anyways, next I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color Coconut, and I'm just going to add this to the lace just to blend it in better with my skin tone. And for my part, I do like to add concealer. Some people ask me if I ever pluck my part. I have never plucked my part. I just leave the part as it is. But I do like to straighten it up with the concealer. So I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. And I just add this to a slanted angle brush and use this to trace out my part.
When you
working hard, then your money start expanding. And them drugs coming in.
Okay, y'all, so this is the end of the video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So this wig is by Ali Pearl Hair, and it is in 26 inches. This wig is really giving like 28, 30, but it's really long for it to be 26 inches, but I love that. It's the perfect density, so it's not too thick to where it just feels super heavy on my head, but it's also not thin to where it's like, this wig needs some more bundles. I decided to go blizz down, of course. This is probably my favorite hairstyle on myself. I don't know what it is, but it's so sleek, so simple, so easy to do, and it just gives you like that look. Like, I don't know how to explain it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will leave the link in the description box down below, so make sure you guys go and check it out. Again, this is Ali Pearl 5x5 closure wig in 26 inches. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn your post notifications so that you can always be notified anytime your girl posts a video. And yeah, I'll definitely catch you guys in the next one.